All right, folks, buckle up because today we're diving into a topic that could completely change your travel game. We're talking about the incredible Beijing Zhong'an Hotel. Imagine this. You're just a hop, skip, and a jump away from iconic landmarks like Tian'anMen and the Forbidden City. It's like being dropped straight into a living history book.
Oh, wow. That sounds really convenient. So, is it good for both business and leisure travelers? Wait, does that mean I can do a meeting and then, explore the Forbidden City right after? Laughs.
Exactly. That's the magic of it. You can finish your business meetings in the morning, and then by afternoon, you're wandering through the Forbidden City, feeling like a time traveler. And get this, the hotel offers free laundry and tourism services. Imagine getting your clothes cleaned while you're off on adventures. It's like killing two birds with one stone.
Yeah, I definitely see the appeal. But, isn't free laundry a bit unusual for a hotel? I mean, are they actually washing my stuff? Or is it just a myth they tell guests?
Haha, no myth here. They really do provide free laundry services. It's all about making your stay as comfortable and hassle-free as possible. And speaking of comfort, the hotel has incredible service. They boast a stellar rating of 9.5 out of 10. That's like getting straight A's in the hotel world.
Oh wow, 9.5? What do they do to get such a high rating? Do they have, magical cleaning fairies or something? Laughs.
Haha, wouldn't that be amazing? But no, it's all about genuine human service. Guests rave about the delicious snacks and how attentive the staff is. Think about it. Great hospitality can really make or break a trip. No one wants to feel ignored while traveling, right?
Right. So, snacks included? That's awesome. I mean, are these the usual snacks or do they offer anything local like, dumplings or something?
You got it. They definitely have that covered. Just imagine sinking your teeth into a warm dumpling after a long day of sightseeing. What a perfect way to unwind. Plus, they have a breakfast buffet with both Chinese and international dishes. You can start your day with a steamed bun and switch it up with a croissant if you're feeling fancy.
Croissants. And, speaking of breakfast, do they offer options for dietary restrictions? I have a friend who's gluten-free. Would she find anything there, you think? Sigh.
Oh, that's a fantastic question. Many hotels today are great at accommodating different dietary needs. While I can't speak for the specifics of this hotel, places that have high ratings typically pay attention to those details. It's crucial for guests to feel included.
Right. And what about the rooms? Do they have, different sizes? Wait, are they the cozy kind of small? Or the, oh my gosh, I'm in a closet kind? Laughs.
Great point. They offer various room types. Some guests mention the rooms can be a bit smaller compared to other hotels, but they also highlight the cleanliness and comfort. It's about the warmth and atmosphere of each room. You could end up feeling like you're in a cozy little nest or a luxurious cave, depending on your vibes.
Wow, a luxury cave sounds, interesting. So, are they family-friendly? What does that even mean, really? Do they provide crayons or something to entertain the kids? Laughs.
Haha, you hit the nail on the head. A family-friendly hotel usually means they cater to kids' needs. Maybe not crayons, but definitely services and amenities that work for families. They want everyone to enjoy their stay together without the chaos.
I get it. So it sounds like this place really values comfort and, convenience. And being near public transport, is that a bigger deal than I thought? I mean, if I can just hop on a train and get to all the cool spots, that sounds, amazing.
Absolutely. Being close to public transportation is vital. Just imagine not stressing over taxis every day. It means you can explore freely. sort of like being a local for a few days. Plus, think of all the intriguing stories you'd gather along the journey.
Wow. So it's not just about staying there, it's about the whole experience of being in Beijing. I can totally see why guests rave about it. Like, it's really good value for the money, huh?
You got it. Just think about all the perks. A prime location, excellent service, free snacks, and a fantastic breakfast spread. That definitely adds up to great value. You get to soak in the local culture without emptying your wallet.
So basically, it sounds like I need to jot this down. If I ever head to Beijing, I've got to check out the Zhong'an Hotel. Thanks for the, insider scoop.